Hello and welcome back to the channel. Neewer, a company known for making good drone accessories and camera accessories, have been kind enough to send me their flexible desk camera mount to test and review on the channel. I have not been paid for this content and these are my own opinions. The tripod they have sent me is extremely well made from metal and folds down from 55 cm in full length down to a size that will fit in most small camera bags. The mount at the base of the tripod will open to 6 cm and attaches to either rounded or flat surfaces. If the surface it's attaching to needs to be protected, there are rubber feet which allow this to happen. The tripod has 3 sets of 360-degree ball heads, allowing for infinite adjustment when mounting a camera or phone using the provided attachments. The joints are strong and they lock securely in place using the handles to tighten. There are a wide range of uses for this tripod, such as mounting action cameras, digital cameras, webcams and even lights. Later in the video you can see the test that I carried out. So without further ado, let's get on to unboxing the Neewer flexible desk camera mount tripod. In the box you have an instruction guide, the mount for a smartphone, the Allen key which allows you to further tighten the joints, and finally the tripod itself. The tripod mounts to a desk using a metal grip which has rubber inserts allowing secure attachment to the desk. There's a wide range of adjustment to suit most types of desk and it will also attach to any round or flat surface. There are 3 adjustment ball joints, one at the base, one in the middle and one at the top where the camera mounts. With 360-degree movement they allow for a large variation of positions and being metal are secure when they are locked in place. I have tested the tripod with a wide range of cameras and positions and found it to be excellent at holding them steadily. The first example is the DJI Pocket 3. Next up is the Insta360 X3 and the top ball joint adjusts in multiple directions allowing you to get the camera where you want it. Next up is the DJI Action 4. The camera fits straight on with no issues whatsoever. It's a similar story with the DJI Action 2. Here I tested it with the dual screen version. Next up I tested it with my digital cameras. Firstly the Canon EOS 250D with a 10 to 18mm lens. The tripod held it firm and it was easy to use while mounted with very little vibration. The final camera was a real test. It was my Canon 5D Mark II with a battery pack and a 24 to 105mm lens. It did cope okay holding the camera, but I'm not sure I'd like to use it like this for any period of time as it did vibrate quite a lot and was probably on the limit of what the tripod can handle. So what's my verdict and should you go out and buy one? I'm very impressed with the Neewer flexible desk camera mount. It is a really good piece of kit, well made, easy to use. It has a wide range of adjustment, will hold many different types of cameras, including digital cameras, and while I was using it held it steady and made it very easy to use. I'd give it a 10 out of 10 and the only regret is that I didn't have it to do the unboxing. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for the next video.